Guys, we have finally moved house, and I thought, before we get everything up on the wall and paint the place, make it look nice, livable, homely, why not just try and fly a drone inside? What's the worst that could happen? How hard can it really be? We've got the guard protectors, so let's just give it a go. Let's do it. Well, that was a challenge. That was a lot harder than I thought it would have been. Even with the propeller guards, it's incredibly difficult to even fly straight or up or down because of the thrust of the drone and such narrow spaces that you're flying in. I would not recommend that at all. I would stick to flying outside. Now, the reason why I can't fly over the house is, one, I don't really want to piss our neighbours off because we've only been here for 2 months, and two, there's a lot of people working on the building site.